Hey YouTubers, hey, it's me, Mr. Grit. I am just giving you guys an update of what's coming up. I have brisket, I got smoked chicken. It's really hard to find certain things and get out of the house with this whole COVID-19 corona freaking light beer bullshit that's been going on and preppers are the end of the world crap. But I get it, all right? You should have been doing this a long time, stocking your fridges and your pantries and all the other stuff long ago, just in case some of this shit would have happened a long time. I'm telling you, you should at least have 2 to 3 months worth of canned goods or something in your pantry at all time. So my kids don't go hungry, neither should your guys. So I'm going to do my best to try to entertain you through this whole COVID-19 bullshit. So like I said, I have brisket and I got whole chickens. Shit, I mean, like, I don't know, green chili pozole or enchiladas. I don't know. I'll figure something out, but I guarantee it's going to be good. So please stick around, check up daily, check up weekly, whatever you can. Hit that subscribe button, make sure you like it so you don't miss a thing, and I'll do my best to entertain you through this crisis. I'm Mr. Grit. You have a good week.